Ways to recover deleted notes on iPhone with or without backup. Number 1. How to recover deleted notes on iPhone without backup. If you don't have any backup of your deleted notes, it would be better for you to use a third-party program. There are several programs available, but we would like to suggest you use Eassiy iPhone Data Recovery. It is one of the most powerful recovery tools among similar products, including notes, photos, videos, messages, and so on. This tool can help you to recover removed data from your iPhone. Launch the latest version of this software after downloading it. Now with a USB cable, connect your iPhone to your computer. Select the type of data you want to scan. In this case, deleted notes. You can choose notes and attach notes only. Tap next and wait for the scan. All notes will appear sorted after scanning. You will be able to preview them one by one. To search for deleted notes, choose Notes. Click the Recover button in the lower right corner. That's all. Number 2. How to recover notes on iPhone via recently deleted album. Enter the Notes app and find the recently deleted album. In the top right corner, tap Edit. Now make sure to choose the notes you want to restore. Here you can find all recently deleted notes. Number 3. Recover deleted notes iPhone by checking email account settings. First, click Settings, then Mail and Accounts. After that, make sure to click on the email account you want to verify. Next, to Notes. Confirm that the option is activated. Turn it on to see if your notes appear again in your app. Number 4. How to retrieve deleted notes on iPhone with iCloud. Enter Configuration. At the top of the menu, choose your name. After that, click on iCloud. Any notes stored in your iCloud account will be downloaded to your iPhone. After you turn on the Notes option, now you can see your notes again. That's all.